Welcome to Honors Geometry, Lesson 12.5, Volumes of Pyramids and Cones. Okay, this is going to look a lot like last video, with the exception that it's with pyramids and cones, so it's a little bit different. So let's go ahead and move along. The volume of a pyramid is expressed by the formula volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. So the volume equals 1/3, okay, area of the base, which is that rectangle, 27 times 12, 324, times the height of the pyramid perpendicular to the base from the vertex is 12, so the volume equals 1,296 centimeters squared. Alright, let's make it a little bit more difficult. Let's look at a pyramid that's a little bit more difficult. Alrighty, this is a regular pyramid. It is a pentagonal pyramid. So we have 10 as being one of the sides. Alright, so volume equals area of the base times the height. Well, you know what? We were told that the height of the pyramid was 12. So we have to find the area of this regular pentagon. Okay, when we draw our central angle, okay, that would be 5. There would be 5 of those central angles. So that would be 72. 360 divided by 5 is 72. So this little angle here is 36. When we draw that apothem, we bisect the base, so each part is 5. So looking at the 36-degree angle, 5 is opposite, and A is adjacent. That would be tangent. So the tangent of that 36-degree angle equals 5 over A, opposite over adjacent. Switch position of the variable and the trig expression. Tangent of 36 degrees, so A equals, alright, so the apothem ends up being 6.88 and some change. So now we know what the apothem is, so volume equals 1/2 the apothem, 6.88, and the perimeter of this pentagonal pyramid, each side is 10, so the perimeter is 50, and the height of this pyramid is 12. So again, the area of the base is all of this, 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. When you multiply that all out, you get 172.0 inches squared. Since we didn't use pi, we're only going to go out to one place. Now let's do the volume of a cone. Okay. The volume of a cone is just like the volume of a cylinder, except for it's 1/3 the size. So looking at this cylinder, the volume equals 1/3 times 3.14 for pi. The radius of the base is 6 squared, and the height And of course, this time I gave you the height. It might be sometime that I don't give you the height. I give you the slant height, and you'll have to figure out the height using the Pythagorean theorem. But in this case, the height of the cone is 15. So the volume equals 565.2 inches cubed. And that's how you find the volume of a cone. This does conclude lesson 12.5, the volume of pyramids and cones.